Welcome back, leaders. Today we're going to talk about something that trips up even experienced managers. How do you hold people accountable without hovering, nagging, or breathing down their necks? Finding that balance is an art, but once you get it, your team becomes more independent, productive, and confident. So let's break it down. Step 1. Start with crystal clear expectations. If your expectation sounds like a riddle, your team is going to perform like they're guessing the answer. Clarity removes chaos. Be specific, such as, here's what I need, here's what it should look like, here's the deadline, here's how success will be measured. When expectations are precise, accountability becomes normal, not forced. Step 2. Agree on deadlines together. Accountability works better when deadlines are mutually agreed upon, not handed down from the mountain. Ask, what's a realistic timeline for completing this? This creates ownership. People commit more strongly to deadlines they help set. Plus, they can't complain later that it was unrealistic because they helped choose it. Step 3. Give autonomy on the how. As a leader, you own the destination, but your team should choose the route. Say something like, as long as the outcome meets the standard, feel free to approach it your way. Autonomy fuels creativity. Micromanaging kills momentum and trust. Give them room to prove what they can do. Step 4. Set up scheduled checkpoints. Instead of hovering, build in predictable moments to connect. For example, let's touch base next Wednesday to review progress. These check-ins prevent surprises without you looking over their shoulder every 5 minutes. Think of them like calendar-based accountability, structured but not suffocating. Step 5. Ask for progress updates, not constant proof. You don't need hourly play-by-plays. A simple question works wonders. How are things progressing? What support do you need right now? This shows interest, not control. You're checking the compass, not grabbing the steering wheel. Step 6. Offer support, not take over. When someone struggles, the instinct is to take the task back. Don't. Instead, guide them in such a way as, let's talk through the challenge. What's blocking you? And even, how can I help you move forward? Support builds capability. Taking over builds dependency. Step 7. Address missed deadlines immediately. Ignoring missed deadlines sends the message that they don't matter. Address them right away, calmly, not angrily. Try this. I noticed the deadline was missed. Walk me through what happened. You want understanding, not excuses. Once you uncover the reason, set new expectations and continue forward. Consistent follow-up creates consistent accountability. Step 8. Document patterns. One missed task could be a fluke. 2 could be a learning curve. A pattern, that's a performance issue. Keep simple notes. What was expected, what happened, what was promised, or what needs improvement. Documentation keeps things fair and factual. It also protects everyone involved. Step 9. Reward reliability. This is the fun part. Every time someone delivers consistently, acknowledge it. Say something like, thank you for being dependable. It really keeps things moving smoothly. Accountability becomes a positive force when reliability is recognized, not taken for granted. You will get more of the behavior you celebrate. Step 10. Apply consequences consistently. Accountability without consequences is just a suggestion. If someone repeatedly misses deadlines, ignores expectations, or avoids responsibility. It's time for more serious talk. Follow your organization steps: coaching, formal warnings, performance plans. Here's the key: be fair, be consistent, and be transparent. Consequences aren't punishment, they're boundaries. And good boundaries strengthen teams. Conclusion. And that's how you hold your team accountable without falling into micromanagement. Set expectations, build structure, give autonomy, and follow through consistently. When you get this balance right, your team becomes more responsible, more confident, and far more capable, without needing you to hover around like a helicopter manager.